One of the biggest decisions you can ever make in your life is saying, I do. At the wedding vows, I'm going to be with you for the rest of our lives, richer, poorer, sickness and in health. That promise is sacred. It is holy. And marriage takes a lot of work. I love being married. I love my wife. I love our family. But it's always a daily thing to make sure that you have in your focus to serve her, to love her, to make her feel loved, to make her feel appreciated. And that takes on in different forms. Many people think of marriage as, well, what am I going to get and what can we now share? Marriage is all about giving. How can I give to you? How can I make you feel happy today? Remember that in your relationship with your spouse. Let her know that you still remember the vow.